Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Bipin Menon.
He is the author of The Ladakh
Scout.
Scout. First of all, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair? What is your experience?
Oh, absolutely lovely. I'd request everybody to come here. Just enjoy the book. I've been coming here regularly,
Right.
but it's pretty good. It's well organized, and with this new setup that's come up in Pragati Medan, I think it's a great thing.
Right. What is one thing about your book that you believe stands out in its genre or in its...
I think the one basic thing is about the fact that it's basically a love story between a Ladakhi boy and a Tibetan girl.
Right.
So it basically looks at the cultural roots of Ladakh, which of course many people know. But the fact is that this book brings out the fact that how different we are across the borders. The type of cultural freedom that you have here
Right.
is probably non-existent. So, and
Right.
we in India take that for granted. We
true.
think that we have a freedom, and that's the end of it.
So writing can be full of ups and downs, right? Could you share one challenge you faced while writing your book and how you overcame it?
I think one was the information about the nomads itself. So, I didn't have, I had to read up a lot on that. I had to meet some of the families also, which was there. Just to understand how it exactly goes. So it's not easy. When you have to really write about a culture which many people are not aware of.
Right.
I think it's about the fact that you have to reach out to more people, try to find out, and then also talk to other Ladakhis about their interaction with the nomads,
Right.
how exactly they interact in those countries. So I think that was the biggest challenge I had.
So, what piece of advice would you give to our aspiring authors? We have a huge community of writers on Instagram, and what is one piece of advice you would give them?
Pursue your passion. For me, since I'm working and doing this, I'm just pursuing one passion.
Right.
A passion which was latent, which I never thought I could really write.
Right.
So, and it really ensures also a correct work-life balance also.
So, thank you for sharing your experiences with us.
Thanks very much.
Please have a very good experience at the book fair. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much. Take care.